Wow, have I had a busy week sewing. If you want to know what I got up to last week and what I'm planning for this week, then join me now for my make some plans. See you in a minute. Hi there, I'm Christine the Gemini Stitcher and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're an existing subscriber, thank you for sticking with me and for joining me today, and if you're new, welcome to a sewing channel where I try and give people inspiration for their sewing and chat about what I've been doing and what I'm planning for the week ahead. Before we start, I just want to say, yay! I reached 2,000 subscribers last week, which was phenomenal. And at the end, we are going to do the draw for this beautiful cotton sateen fabric with a bit of a stretch to it. There are, I think about 80 odd people in the draw, maybe a few less than that, but quite a few of you did comment last week, so thank you for that. And fingers crossed, stick around at the end and we'll do the draw together. The last little announcement I want to make is one that other vloggers have mentioned on their channels over the past few months, and I've thought, I'm not sure that that's true, but I'm beginning to think maybe it is. A couple of comments came through last week saying that they thought they were subscribed to my channel, and when they checked, they aren't. So they've subscribed. So if you're a regular viewer, you think you're subscribed, or you want to subscribe, then please double check. And if it isn't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. And then you get to hear what I'm doing week in, week out in my little sewing room. Right. So what did I do last week? Well, I had a bit of maintenance and TLC, had the old roots done and the hair done. So that's a bit tidier. Got some cute new nails done, getting ready for summer with my bright colours. So that ate into my week quite a bit. Went to the gym, went to Aqua, like Aqua, and I like the one better where they use the pool weights. Now, I like little dumbbells, well, not so little dumbbells, in foam, and you think, they're not going to do any good, are they? Light as a feather, but my goodness, when you put them under the water and do the exercises, wowzer, they're brilliant. Yeah, so I did Aqua, and I did Dance Fit on Friday. Absolutely love Dance Fit. Come out of that buzzing. So I only went twice, but I'm getting there. I'm getting back into it. And the other things that I did were sewing Sewcials. I went to Nadia's social. I'll pop the link below for her sewing channel on Saturday in Manchester. There were 5 of us, so it was quite a cosy social for me. Very different to mine, because there's usually about 16 ladies at mine, so it was really nice. We all sat round together and we all had a really good chat, and we got loads done. Well, I did anyway. I got the cast trousers for my Sewfrugal entries made, and I made a start on the Tilda blouse as well. And then on Sunday afternoon, yesterday, I had the virtual social with Sam Sequin Girly. And they are brilliant. There were, I think, about 17 of us yesterday. She takes up to about 25 people on them. We all sit in our own sewing rooms with our phones, laptops, iPads, whatever you can view on. And we all chat together, and it was lovely. And you find loads of information out as well. Really, really interesting. Not just about sewing. The one that I picked up on yesterday was we were talking about air fryers, or one lady was. I am one of the few people, I think, in the whole world who has not got an air fryer yet. So I was listening to that. And she's got the model that I've been looking at. So if you've got an air fryer, tell me what you think of it, because I'm that close now to buying one. So, what have I made this week? What have we made this week, Esme? I've done quite a bit of sewing, and I had a bit of a dilemma because a lot of it is for competitions and one of them is for a blog post that I've been asked to do. And I didn't know whether I should show you them or not, but then I thought, well, if I don't, then there's no point doing a Monday makes and plans because it'll look like I've not made anything. So we'll have a sneaky peek together. I don't think it's going to affect anything. The first thing that I've been working on was for Sewfrugal. Now, I did my vlogger tour post last week, so I will pop the link for that, and if you want to go and give it a watch, it'll be in the details below. So my idea was to make a free summer capsule wardrobe, and I took it one stage further and went out of my comfort zone and pulled neutral, yes, neutral colours out of my stash to make a capsule wardrobe with. So if you want to find out what I chose for the whole capsule, watch that vlog. If you want to see what I've made so far, I'll just grab them for you. Now, I'm not going to go into great detail because obviously it's all part of Sewfrugal, but this is the first thing that I've made. Absolutely love it. I've used fabric from my stash in a cotton jersey from, I think I got this from Ruth McIntyre's D-Stash. And I've made the Miranda t-shirt from Tiana's closet. And I've played around with it, but I've extended the sleeves because I wanted a 3/4 sleeve. So I'm not going to say any more than that, but that's one of my entries to Sewfrugal. So this is the second thing that I've made for Sewfrugal, and it's the Tilda blouse from Maison Fauve in a cotton linen fabric from Legend Textiles. And again, not too much detail on it today. I'm just proving that I have actually been sewing, to be honest. And then the third thing that I've made are the cast trousers from fabricstore.com, another free pattern. Nice little side pockets. They're a crop length and they are a cord to go with the Tilda blouse. So 3 things to enter into the Sewfrugal so far. So my capsule collection have 5 garments in it, so I've still got the Angrasa dress, that one, to make, and the Annie jacket, that one. I've got them both cut out, so they're on my plans for this week. The last thing that I finished off, and I did debate whether I was allowed to do this, but we'll give you a sneaky peek anyway. And it's my Lisa blouse from Vicky Sews, made in a gorgeous floaty white Dobby cotton fabric from Sew Me Sunshine, and I'll be doing a blog post for them all about the fabric that they gave me and what I thought of the Vicky Sews pattern. So if that's something you're interested in reading, keep your eyes peeled because it will be going on the Sew Me Sunshine website shortly. So when I was at Nadia's social on Saturday, one of the ladies was making a free pattern. And it is from Peppermint magazine and it's their everyday dress. Now here's an image of the everyday dress. Now I've swerved this one because in the past because I thought it's too big and baggy for me. It'll bury me in fabric. But this lady made it in a plain viscose linen in a beautiful dark green colour, and it looked absolutely stunning when she put it on. It's one of those dresses that definitely looks better on than off. And I am definitely going to be baking one of these. I've got a couple of pieces of cotton linen. Hang on, I'll go and get them and then you can tell me which one you think I should use. In a minute. Sorry about that, I'm back. Not being very organised today. So as I said, the everyday dress from Peppermint magazine, it's a free dress. And the lady at the social, when we made her, she wasn't going to try it on. I'm so glad she did in the end. She caved in and it gave us all a twirl in it. And honestly, it was stunning. So, in my stash, I've got a bright green linen. Got lots of this. I think I've got about 3 meters, if I'm honest, from Legend Textiles. Really nice quality as well, viscose linen. Anyway, so I might make a plain one in that. Or I might make a patterned one in this fabric that I got from Guthrie and Garner when I went to their sample sale. This wasn't in the sample sale, it was downstairs. I just thought, nice plain dress will be really good in this large pattern. So yeah, I'm thinking more along the lines of this one. I think, oh, I might do both. But I'll make one up, get the size right. So I might make the first one in the Legend fabric because that's a cheaper fabric and good for toiling in. And if it's nice, make one in this. Now, the good thing about the everyday dress, which I hadn't realised, because she had it with the V-neck at the front, and it looked really nice, but she said, I'll just go and get changed. And I thought, what's she doing? Anyway, she came back out with it the other way round with the V at the back, and it's just like a round neck at the front and then a V-neck at the back. I thought, oh, 2 dresses from one pattern. That is just what I need. I need some throw-on dresses, and obviously that's why it's called the everyday dress, isn't it? That I can dress up and dress down. Yeah, I think that one's going to be on my radar now. Whether it's free, so I could do it for Sewfrugal, but whether I've got time or not. What are we on? The 18th. So I've got nearly 2 weeks, actually. Not too bad, because you don't have to post them until the end of the month. So maybe I'll get my capsule wardrobe made and those. And that means I'll have 7 entries into Sewfrugal this year. And you never know, I might actually win a prize this time. Or probably not, because there are an awful lot of people enter that competition. But I really enjoy it. So that's it for this week then. Oh, apart from the draw for the fabric. Just give me a minute while I set up my random number wheel. Everybody, just grab my pad, then you can see that this is legit. So everybody who commented has been put on the list and given a number. And there are 76 entries in total. So I'm going to go and set the number wheel up with 76 numbers on, 1 to 76, obviously. And then I'll bob back and you can watch the number wheel, see the number, and then I'll come back and tell you who is on my list. And then I will be in touch with you to send you the fabric. Give me a minute while I set the wheel. There we go, number 54. Let me check my list and see who number 54 is. Number 54 is Pauline Roberts. So well done, Pauline. You've won 3 meters of this beautiful fabric to help me celebrate my 2,000 subscriber reach. I will reply to your comment and ask you to and give you my email address, and you can email me your postal address and I will get this sent out to you sometime this week. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you've enjoyed my Monday Make Some Plans. I have got a few more vlogs coming out this week. I've got one on Wednesday, which is the Bell Dress Two Ways vlog that Sam and I recorded when we were in Anglesey. So we're both going to be putting those up on Wednesday. Mine's obviously going to have a Christine twist and Sam's will have a Sam twist, so it'll be good to watch them both. So they're going up on Wednesday, and then on Thursday I'm on the vlogger tour for the So Yellow for Endo. So I'll be doing that on Thursday, and then on Friday I think I'll be going into a darkened room and sleeping till Monday. Won't really. On Thursday, I'm actually off down to Anglesey again. I've got things to do down there Thursday and Friday. So, yeah, not much sewing time this week. So, I better go and get cracking now and get some done while I can. So, take care. Have a lovely sewing week. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check if you think you're subscribed. Have a check and see, because it'd be interesting to see how many people actually thought they were subscribed when they're not. And if that's you, then put a comment and I know how many people it's affected, because I'm not sure it's a thing, but let's have a see. So I will see you on Wednesday for the Bell Dress reveal, Thursday for So Yellow for Endo, and then back with my makes and plans on Monday. Happy sewing week, and I will see you all soon. Bye for now.